Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So with the help of the ChatGPT, I'm show you how to make your own web browser very easy and quick. So first of all open ChatGPT. Here you click write your prompt here. So I write build me a web browser and choose my language. I choose Python and I press enter. Then he got the answer. He show me the answer. You show me the library, how to install the library. First of all, install the library, then go for it. You should keep the basic web browser can load display web pages. Here's the basic. Create a new web application. Create a new web application. So copy this code. I go to my spider. I paste the code. Simply paste the code and run. What's happened? It's executed. So go back. Copy another code. Again copy paste here and run the code. Name where is not defined, your URL is defined. Okay. Well, the web browser using Python. Hurry up. This is a simple code. Just copy this code. It is a few line code. Go to the ideal. So from beginning I type here, paste the code and play simply run. Then show wow this code is executed. Now you can this is your own personal web browser using Python. So I'm type here anything like hello and show the result. There is show the result. AI you can show me the result. It totally work with this few line of code. It give very easy to make web browser. So thanks to people to showing interest in my video. For more videos and update, like, share and comment. Thank you.